Good morning, dear student, class 10, subject computer. Today we will teach you about social networking. Before that, we are learning about many more services available on the internet. इंटरनेट पे बहुत सारे सर्विसेज के बारे में हम लोगों ने देखा. एंड जस्ट दिस इज द टॉपिक ऑफ defining the social networking. Students, you all of know very well that social networking is very important sites nowadays, and many more people are use nowadays social networking apps for interacting with peoples around the whole world, and this is a way of send your message, communicate with anyone around the whole world very easily and very faster with help of the social networking. Day by day we update our information and we can share our ideas and thought very easily with help of the videos, audios, message, and many more way. We are interacting with many peoples and many things. Social networking on the internet is popular with user to all the groups, but more so with youngest. Nowadays young people are mostly uses of social networking site as like universities student, high school and college students, and people in workplace. It is a convenient way to get the knowledge people who's interested opinion and like the dislike are quite similar to your and the इंटरनेट पे हम लोग बहुत सारे लोगों से जुड़ना और बहुत सारे चीज़ों को शेयर करना. इट इज़ अ सोशल नेटवर्किंग containing the various social networking site. Nowadays you only need to register at the website to be part of social networking. After register at the social networking site, you can create your own list of friends and interact with, share view with them. You can also share photos, audios, video file with other. For example, a popular social networking website like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Google Plus, and MySpace nowadays. And now we will learn about some advantage of social networking sites. Some advantage of social networking: worldwide connectivity. With help of the social networking, we are used to share our instant message around the whole world, any place, anywhere, anytime, with help of the internet. Third, social networking site, you can search anyone from anywhere in the world, such as your friend who stay mile parts, you first grad teachers, or your college roommate. It allows you to interact with other without worrying about the distance. Free एडवर्टाइजिंग, हम लोग फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट अपने प्रोडक्ट का और या अपने मैन्युफैक्चर्ड का हम लोग फ्री एडवर्टीजमेंट भी कर सकते हैं विथ हेल्प ऑफ द सोशल नेटवर्किंग एप्स. You can use social media to promote your business, product, services, or even idea and to free of the cost. Commonality of the internet interest on the social networking site, you can find people having the same interest or hobbies as your. You can create the group of and share the thought and work of the others, and as well as there are some disadvantage also of the social networking. देखेंगे हम लोग some कुछ disadvantage भी हैं सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट के. some peoples are doing misuse for this app. cyber bullying. At a time, use of social networking can lead the cyber bullying or crime against the children. It can miss teenage of the use inappropriate age contents. Students, as you know that इंटरनेट पे बहुत तरह की चीज़ें अवेलेबल हैं, बट सम थिंग्स आर नॉट यूजफुल फॉर अस एंड सम थिंग आर वी हैव टू इग्नोर. Theft of the personal information. Sometimes it is also a problem of internet. Someone can get access your personal information through the internet or the social networking site. While creating accounts, you need to give your personal detail. Sometimes fraudsters steal the information and misuse it. फेक प्रोफाइल, बहुत सारे लोग फेक प्रोफाइल जनरेट कर लेते हैं इंटरनेट पे एंड दे आर यूज टू मिस यूज देयर. एनी वन कैन क्रिएट फेक person on the pretend the someone else and interact with the other person. कुछ अननोन पर्सन और अननेसेसरी मैसेजेस आने लगते हैं जो हम लोगों को डिस्टर्ब करते हैं, और कुछ अननेसेसरी पीपुल्स हम लोगों से जुड़ जाते हैं. तो दिस इज द when disadvantage of the social networking, and we have to attention this type of fake and frauds video. Understanding the internet etiquette. Students now will be learn about internet etiquettes. Etiquettes are as a rule. Etiquette एक तरह का रूल है that we must have to follow when we are using the internet. जब हम लोग इंटरनेट का यूज़ करते हैं, हम लोगों को कुछ चीज़ों को, कॉमनली चीज़ों को ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि हमारे पोस्ट से, हमारे मैसेज से नो एनीवन कैन बी हर्ट, किसी को हर्ट ना हो और किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. इस तरह के कंटेंट्स और इस तरह के मैसेजेस हम लोगों को अपलोड और शेयर नहीं करना चाहिए. वी नॉर्मली डिफाइन द इम्प्लीमेंट्स एटिक्वेट वाइल interacting with the people in our day-to-day life. Some should be observed while working on the internet. What is the expected behavior when we are working on the internet? The answer can vary often different country and region. However, we are some common rule to expect behavior that must be followed by all the internet users. कुछ common rule हैं जो सारे इंटरनेट के यूजर्स को फॉलो करना चाहिए. These rules are termed as internet etiquette. Internet etiquette include behavior such as preventing spam, maintaining the privacy of others on the internet, and respecting the intellectual property rights of the internet user. Let's know about this etiquette in detail. Preventing email spam. Email spam is a problem that are many unnecessary emails are coming in your website, in your message box, and often it is disturb you. Email spam refer to unsocialized and identical email messages sent to numerous recipients. Spam normally contain email messages meant the promotion or other related activity. Spam email, false email इसको बोल सकते हैं हम लोग. Ensure that you do not click on reply all button in the initial email message when you do not intend to the address or the recipient of the organization email message. Ensure that you enter only relevant email address while composing and sending email message. जिनको जानते हैं उन्हीं को मैसेज हम लोग सेंड करें. Ensure that you can reply and forward email message only when really required. जो ज़रूरी है उसी मेल को हम लोगों को सेंड करना चाहिए और उस पर हम लोगों को रिप्लाई करना चाहिए. Maintaining the privacy on internet. There are some method of maintaining the privacy of internet. Don't read the email message of other user. किसी दूसरे यूजर के ईमेल मैसेज को don't read. Don't disclose your password to other user to ensure your privacy. अपने प्राइवेसी को मेंटेन रखने के लिए अपने पासवर्ड को शेयर ना करें. Don't ask the password for others. और दूसरों के पासवर्ड को भी ना पूछो. Do not access web pages or other resources on the internet that you are not authorized to access. जिसके लिए हम लोग ऑथराइज नहीं हैं, उन चीज़ों को एक्सेस करने का प्रयास ना करें. Avoid asking about personal information while interacting with other users on the internet. Don't send or ask for sensitive information such as credit card information from other user by the email. Respecting the intellectual property of right IPR. Don't copy or any material created by other user from the internet से copy नहीं करना चाहिए. If you need to quote an expert of the creative work originally created by other user, provide a reference and duly acknowledgement for the creator. Do not email the original creative works of other people without appropriate permission. बिना परमिशन के हम लोगों को अपने इंफॉर्मेशन को नहीं सेंड करना है. Retraining from pornography. It is a big problem of the internet. Don't access pornography website. Generally common way है. Don't search the objectionable word on the our topic on the internet. कुछ objectionable word को find नहीं करना है. If you are receiving pornographic material on any email, don't attempt to open. Report the matter to your concerned teacher or immediately. Don't forward pornography material to anyone through the email. This is some common etiquette of the internet, and now we have to aware and we have to follow this rule. Okay, student, in this way this chapter has finished, and next chapter and next topic we will discuss in next video and next class. Thanks all of you.